What up everyone, it's your girl Anne, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so let's get real for a sec. You're scrolling through Facebook, you see your fave creators posting amazing stuff, and a tiny part of you, or maybe a big part, no judgment, is wondering, how in the zuck are they making money doing this? Is there some secret handshake, a hidden treasure map? Do you need to sacrifice your firstborn avocado toast? Spoiler, no, but good toast helps the creative process, just saying. Well, guess what? Today, we are spilling all the tea, honey. We're diving deep into the mystical, magical world of Facebook monetization. Yeah, that's right. Facebook isn't just for sharing baby pics and arguing with your uncle about politics anymore. It's a legit platform where creators like you and me can turn our passion into actual, hold it in your hand, pay your bills cash. Cha-ching, get that coin, sis. I'm talking about understanding the whole system, from what kind of content makes Facebook throw money at you, to the nitty-gritty rules you gotta follow. So, if you've ever dreamed of getting paid to do what you love on the biggest social network on the planet, you need to stick around. In this video, I'm gonna break it all down. No fluff, no confusing jargon, just straight up facts and actionable tips. We'll cover everything from eligibility, are you even invited to the money party? What types of content qualify? Is your cat video empire gonna make you rich? To the different ways Facebook actually slides that moolah into your account. Prepare for your mind to be blown, and your wallet to potentially get fatter. So grab your notebooks, maybe a snack. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And let's unlock these Facebook secrets together. Lego! Alright, first things first, let's demystify this whole Facebook content monetization program. Think of it like this. Facebook wants to keep people on Facebook, right? The longer people stay, the more ads they see, and the more money Facebook makes. So how do they keep people glued to their screens? With awesome, engaging content. And who makes that content? You do, you beautiful creative genius. So Facebook, in its infinite wisdom and business savvy, decided, hey, let's give these amazing creators a piece of the pie for making our platform the place to be. It's like a thank you note, but with dollar signs, which is my favorite kind of thank you. It's a win-win. You create stuff you love, your audience loves it, Facebook loves it, and your bank account starts to look a little healthier. This program is basically Facebook's way of saying, keep up the great work, and here's some cash for your troubles and talent. It's not just about randomly posting and hoping for the best, though. Facebook has structured programs designed to reward creators who consistently share high-quality, engaging content that people genuinely want to watch, read, and interact with. This means they're looking for content that sparks conversations, builds communities, and keeps users coming back for more. They're not just handing out participation trophies. You gotta earn that bling. The program encompasses various tools and features that allow creators to earn money through advertising revenue shares, direct support from their fans, and even partnerships with brands. It's about recognizing the value you bring to the platform and providing pathways for you to monetize that value effectively. So it's less of a mysterious black box and more of a structured ecosystem where quality and engagement are king or queen. So, you're hyped, you're ready to make it rain on Facebook, but hold up a sec, player. Before you can start swimming in those sweet, sweet monetization dollars, Facebook has a little velvet rope and a bouncer named eligibility criteria. And trust me, this bouncer does not accept bribes in the form of viral cat memes. I've tried. First off, you generally need to be operating from a Facebook page, not your personal profile. Think of your page as your professional storefront. Then, there are the big ones. Follower counts and engagement. For many features, like in-stream ads, you'll need a minimum number of followers, often around 10,000. And it's not just about having followers, they need to be engaged. Facebook looks at things like video watch time and interactions to make sure you're not just talking to an empty room. But wait, there's more. Cue the infomercial voice. You absolutely, positively have to play by Facebook's rules. This means adhering to their partner monetization policies and content monetization policies. These are basically the terms of service for making money, and they cover everything from what kind of content is okay, no hate speech, no graphic violence, you get the drill, to authenticity and intellectual property. Breaking these rules is the quickest way to get your monetization privileges snatched. Also, monetization features aren't available in every single country, so you'll need to check if your region is supported. It sounds like a lot, but it's mostly about being a responsible, authentic creator who provides real value. Think of it as Facebook's way of keeping the money party classy and safe for everyone involved. Okay, so you've hopefully passed the bouncer and you're inside the Facebook monetization club. Now, what kind of party favors or, content should you be serving up to get that cash flowing? The good news is, Facebook offers a pretty diverse menu. It's like an all-you-can-eat buffet, but instead of questionable shrimp, you get potential earnings. We're talking video, and more video. Because let's be real, video is king. This includes short, snappy stuff like Facebook Reels and stories that grab attention faster than free pizza at a college dorm. Then you've got your more substantial, long-form videos, perfect for deep dives, tutorials, or storytelling that really builds a connection with your audience. But it's not just about video, my friends. Don't sleep on the power of well-crafted text posts. Yeah, words can make you money too, who knew? Shakespeare would be stoked. Engaging articles, thought-provoking questions, or even just hilarious status updates can drive massive interaction, which is a big green flag for Facebook. And of course, we can't forget memes. Those visual jokes that spread like wildfire can be gold mines for engagement if they're original and resonate with your audience. Even live streams, where you connect with your followers in real time, are a huge part of the puzzle. The key takeaway here is that variety can be your friend, as long as whatever format you choose, the content itself is high quality, original, and something your audience actually wants to consume. Let's zoom in on the speed demons of Facebook content, stories, and reels. In a world where attention spans are shorter than my patience for buffering videos, these short-form formats are your secret weapon. Think of them as the espresso shots of content, quick, potent, and highly effective. Facebook stories, those disappearing snippets of your day, are perfect for behind-the-scenes glimpses, quick polls, quandas, and sharing more casual, authentic moments. They keep your audience engaged daily and make you feel more accessible. Reels, on the other hand, are Facebook's answer to the TikTok craze: short, entertaining, often music-driven videos designed for maximum virality and discoverability. These are your chance to hop on trends, showcase your creativity in bite-sized chunks, and reach a whole new audience that might not have found your page otherwise. Now, how do these quick hits translate into cold, hard cash? Well, Facebook is increasingly pushing these formats and finding ways to reward creators for using them. For Reels, there's the Reels Play Bonus program, where Facebook literally pays creators bonuses based on the performance of their Reels. Yes, you heard that right. Bonus cash for making fun, short videos. Sign me up. While direct monetization for stories might be more evolving, they play a crucial role in overall engagement, driving traffic to your other monetized content, and building that loyal community that might eventually support you through things like fan subscriptions or by watching your longer ad-supported videos. So don't underestimate the power of these snackable content pieces. They're small but mighty in the Facebook monetization game. All right, we've talked about the quick sprints with stories and reels, but now let's talk about the marathon long-form videos. This is where you get to really stretch your creative legs and dive deep into topics. Think of it as the main course after those tasty appetizers. We're talking about videos that are typically 3 minutes or longer, offering substantial value to your audience. This could be in-depth tutorials, detailed product reviews, compelling documentaries, vlogs that tell a bigger story, or even educational content that really breaks down complex subjects. The beauty of long-form video is its ability to foster a much deeper connection with your viewers. When someone commits to watching your content for an extended period, they're investing their time in you, and that builds loyalty and trust like nothing else. And here's the kicker for your wallet. Long-form videos are prime real estate for things like in-stream ads. Hello, ad revenue, my old friend. Facebook allows you to place ads, pre-roll, mid-roll, or even image ads within these longer videos, and you get a share of the revenue generated from those ads. The longer your videos and the more watch time you accumulate, the more opportunities there are for ads, and potentially the more you can earn. But it's not just about slapping ads everywhere. Your long-form content still needs to be super engaging, well-structured, and provide genuine value to keep people watching through those ad breaks. It's about creating an experience, not just a video, that keeps your audience hooked from start to finish. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Anne, can my witty status updates and hilarious meme collection actually make me money? And the answer is, kinda, indirectly, and sometimes directly. Don't underestimate the power of a perfectly timed GIF, people. While Facebook doesn't typically have a direct pay-per-text post system like they do for video ads, engaging written content and shareable memes are absolute gold for building your audience and boosting your page's overall visibility. Think about it. A thought-provoking question can ignite a massive comment thread. A well-written article or story shared as a text post can establish your authority and voice. And a relatable meme? That thing can go viral faster than you can say Facebook algorithm, bringing tons of new eyes to your page. So how does this translate to monetization? It's all part of the bigger picture, like a delicious content casserole. Firstly, high engagement on your text posts and memes tells Facebook that your page is active and valuable, which can positively influence the reach of your monetized video content. Secondly, a highly engaged audience built through this type of content is more likely to become paying fans through subscriptions or support you in other ways. And thirdly, if your page becomes known for killer text-based content or viral memes in a specific niche, It opens doors for branded content opportunities where brands might pay you to create sponsored posts. So keep those keyboards clacking and those meme folders stocked. They're essential ingredients in your Facebook success recipe. Chapter 7. Real Time, Real Money, the Magic of Live Streams. Let's talk about going live, people. Facebook Live is your chance to connect with your audience in the raw, unfiltered, and super engaging world of real-time interaction. It's like throwing a party and everyone you know online is invited, and you're the super cool host. Whether you're doing a Quanda session, giving a behind-the-scenes tour, hosting a live workshop, or just chatting about your day, live streams create an unparalleled sense of immediacy and community. Your followers can ask questions and get instant answers. They can react in real time, and they feel like they're truly part of the experience. This direct line to your audience is incredibly powerful for building loyalty and making your followers feel seen and heard. It's authenticity cranked up to 11. And guess what? That real-time magic can also translate into real-time money. Abracadabra alakazam, make that money appear in my hand. One of the coolest ways is through Facebook Stars. Viewers can buy stars and send them to you during your live broadcast as a way to show their support and appreciation. Each star has a monetary value, so it's like getting virtual tips. Furthermore, highly engaging live streams can boost your page's overall visibility, leading more people to your other monetized content. You can also use live streams to promote fan subscriptions or exclusive content. The energy of a live event is contagious, and it's a fantastic way to deepen your connection with your community while opening up another avenue for earnings. So don't be shy, hit that Go Live button. Okay team, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the actual tools Facebook gives you to make that paper. First up, the big one for video creators, in-stream ads. These are the little commercials that play before, during, or after your eligible videos. Think of them as tiny money-making ninjas. For your longer videos, usually over 1 minute, but ideally 3 minutes or more for mid-rolls, Facebook can automatically place these ads, or you can choose strategic spots. You earn a share of the revenue generated when viewers watch these ads. The more views and the longer people watch, generally, the more you can earn. It's a classic ad revenue model, and it's a cornerstone of Facebook video monetization for many creators. You'll need to meet specific eligibility criteria for watch time and followers to unlock this feature. But wait, there's more in Facebook's bag of tricks. Let's talk fan subscriptions. This is where your super fans can show you some serious love on a recurring basis. If you're eligible, you can offer exclusive content, special badges, or other perks to fans who pay a monthly subscription fee. It's like having your own VIP club. Then there's branded content. This is when you collaborate with a business or brand to create content that promotes their product or service. Facebook has a branded content tool that you use to tag your sponsors, ensuring transparency for your audience. This can be a super lucrative way to earn, especially if you have an engaged, niche audience. There are also things like stars, which we talked about for live, and other bonus programs that pop up, so keep an eye on your creator studio. So, you know what the monetization tools are? But how do you actually get Facebook to say, yes, you're worthy, here's access to the money vault? It's not just about flipping a switch. It's a journey, a marathon, not a sprint. Unless your sprint involves creating amazing content consistently, then sprint away, my friend. The absolute foundation is building an authentic and engaged audience. This means consistently creating content that resonates with a specific group of people. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Find your niche, understand what your audience loves, and deliver it to them consistently. Interact with their comments, ask them questions, make them feel like part of a community, not just passive viewers. Genuine growth takes time, so be patient and focus on providing real value. Next up, and this is crucial, is creating high-quality, original content. No blurry, shaky videos filmed in your dimly lit basement, please. Unless that's your aesthetic, then work it. Facebook rewards originality. Re-uploading other people's stuff is a big no-no and can get you demonetized faster than you can say, copyright strike. Invest in good lighting, clear audio, and compelling storytelling or information. And I can't stress this enough. Read, understand, and religiously follow Facebook's partner monetization policies and content monetization policies. These are your rulebooks. Knowing what's allowed and what's not will save you a world of headaches and keep your monetization journey smooth. Consistency is also key. Regularly posting keeps your audience engaged and signals to Facebook that you're an active creator. All right, you're on the path to monetization, but how do you make your content truly shine and maximize those earnings? Let's drop some pro tips. First and foremost, know your audience. Like, really know them. Stalk them respectfully through Facebook Insights, okay? Dive into your page insights to understand their demographics, what types of content they engage with most, and when they're most active online. This data is pure gold. Use it to tailor your content topics, formats, and posting schedule directly to their preferences. Stop guessing what they want and start giving them what the data says they love. This will lead to higher engagement, which is music to Facebook's algorithm's ears. Secondly, don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats. You're a creator. Get creative. Duh! Maybe your audience loves your long-form tutorials, but have you tried turning key snippets into reels? Or perhaps your witty text posts could be expanded into short, engaging videos. Try polls, quizzes, user-generated content campaigns. Mix it up. See what sticks. Engage with your community relentlessly. Respond to comments. Ask questions in your posts. Go live to chat with them. Make them feel valued. And finally, leverage trends, but do it authentically. Don't just jump on every bandwagon if it doesn't fit your brand or voice. Find trends that genuinely align with your niche and put your own unique spin on them. This keeps your content fresh and discoverable. And that's a wrap, unicorns. Phew, we covered a lot today, but hopefully your brain is buzzing with ideas and you're feeling supercharged to go out there and claim your piece of that Facebook money pie. Because who doesn't love pie, especially when it's made of cash? Remember, unlocking Facebook's monetization secrets isn't about some crazy hack. It's about understanding the system, creating awesome, authentic content that your audience adores, playing by the rules, and staying consistent. It takes work, it takes dedication, but it is so doable. And you, my friend, are totally capable. So what are you waiting for? Take these tips, start strategizing, and begin implementing them on your Facebook page today. Don't just let this be another video you watched. Let it be the video that sparked your journey to becoming a paid Facebook creator. Go get 'em, tiger, or unicorn, or whatever majestic creature you identify as. If you found this helpful, which I know you did because I'm awesome and you're awesome for watching, please smash that like button until it turns blue, and then maybe hit it a few more times for good luck. And hey, don't be a stranger. Drop a comment below and let me know what your biggest takeaway was, or if you have any more burning questions about Facebook monetization. And of course, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any more of this goodness. My name is Anne. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video. One love, Superwoman, Superman. That's you. And peace out. Get that bag.